The Grow Natives section, found under the Tools tab in our header, is the place to get information based on decades of scientific research to learn about native plants that work in your gardening projects. We feature 200 different species of native plants, from ferns to trees, that are commercially available and cultivated for use in gardens, landscapes, and restoration projects. We're constantly adding to this list of featured plants, so you'll see the collection grow as you use this tool. So let's talk about some ways that you can use this site. If you've never tried using native species in your plantings, or you want some suggestions on plant combinations to make a certain garden type, look at the plant combinations featured at the top of the page. You can learn about 5 different garden types and a suite of plants that are well suited for these particular conditions. You can also filter for these and then look at the thumbnails to just see how they might fit into your garden plans, or you can further filter them using the options that are available in the search panel. And like with any selections that you make, you can always remove the filters with these tags that are right above your search results. If you look at the search panel and the options available there, you can discover the native species you're curious about, or zero in on those that have features that you want for your particular need. You can use any options and select any number of options in any order to filter down the results, which are shown as thumbnails to the right. Let's say that I want to plant some things to start making a garden that attracts pollinators. I'll select this under Wildlife Support. The spot that I'm thinking about is in a corner in my yard where every winter it stays all wet and soggy. And for this new garden space, I also want something that's easy to grow. So, looking at the selections that reflect these choices I've made, I can then look and find more information about any of these plants by clicking on its image. This opens a profile page that features all of the garden characteristics that we have for this particular plant, as well as lots of photos taken of the plant as it grows in the wild in Oregon. Another nice feature that each garden profile page has is a link to its core profile page, which taps into the other resources throughout the OregonFlora website. Whether you just want to browse through all of the great options or look for something particular, our Grow Natives tool can inform and inspire you as you bring native plant species into your plantings.